Happy Valentine's Day, you too.
Ah, yes. The annual celebration of unrealistic expectations and overpriced chocolate.
Is the chocolate for me?
No buttons. Chocolate is bad for cats.
So, emotional damage.
He'll recover once something edible appears.
I thought we could do something sweet today.
You live with us. Your standards are already flexible.
I dressed emotionally for the occasion.
You're wearing nothing different.
Exactly. Vulnerable.
Touching. Truly.
I even bought heart-shaped treats.
I love you.
Incredible. His affection has a measurable price.
What would you do for Valentine's Day, Major?
I'd cancel it. Romance thrives under low expectations.
I'd eat it.
You can't eat Valentine's Day.
Then what's the point?
A philosophical question for the ages.
You two are impossible.
And yet, here you are, decorating for us.
With snacks.
Fine. I love you both.
I love you more. Because treats.
I tolerate you deeply. Which, in cat terms, is profound devotion.
I'll take it.
Does devotion come with dinner?
Obviously. Happy Emotional Spending Day.
Happy Eat Everything Day.
Close enough.